Good morning, everyone. I myself, Jinal Andharia from 6C, standing here to say few lines on prayer. Prayer is raising of one's mind and heart to God, or the requesting of good things from God. The better prayer is to have a heart without words than words without heart. Now, I request all the students and teachers to stand up and take their prayer position.
Father, I place into your hands the things that I can't do. Father, I place into your hands the times that I've been through. Father, I place into your hands the way that I should go. For I know my life depends on you. Father, I place into your hands my friends and families. Father, I place into your hands the things that troubles me. Father, I place into your hands the person I would keep. For I know my life depends on you. Father, we love to seek your face. We love to hear your voice. Father, we love to sing your praise and in your name rejoice. Father, we love to walk with you and in your presence rest. And we know our life depends on you.
Eternal God, Creator of all, I firmly believe that I am now in your presence. I adore your divine majesty and I ask of you to enlighten my mind that I may know you more clearly and to move my heart that I may love you above all things and my fellow beings. Help me to be a torchbearer of your wisdom.
Dear friends, I request you to stand up and take your prayer position.
Good morning, one and all present here. I myself, Dhyanam Mehta from Standard 6C. Today I am standing here to say a speech on global warming. Global warming occurs high temperature in Earth's atmosphere. Due to high temperature, glaciers melt down and the sea level increases. Due to sea level increases, tsunamis and natural calamities can come. Deforestation is a reason which can cause global warming. Greenhouse effect is the main reason which causes global warming. Carbon dioxide and methane are the gases which mainly causes greenhouse effect. So we should save our earth from global warming. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Stretch out your right hand and get ready for pledge.
India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are
All Indians are
my brothers and sisters.
my brothers and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country
and I am proud of
and I am proud of
its rich and varied heritage.
its rich and varied heritage.
I shall always strive
I shall always strive
to be worthy of it.
to be worthy of it.
I shall respect my parents,
I shall respect my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all elders
and all elders
and treat everyone with courtesy.
and treat everyone with courtesy.
I pledge my devotion
I pledge my devotion
to my country and its people.
to my country and its people.
My happiness lies
My happiness lies
in their well-being and prosperity.
in their well-being and prosperity.
Respected father, sisters, teachers, and all my dear friends, I am Ammal Virani from Standard 6B. Today I am standing here to say a thought for the day. Success is when your signature changes to autograph. Meaning of the thought is when our signature changes to autograph, this marks the success. I repeat, success is when your signature changes to autograph. Meaning of the thought is when our signature changes to autograph, this marks the success. Thank you.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे